In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a message on Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or looking to sharpen your messaging skills, this guide will walk you through the simple yet essential steps for effectively responding to messages on this popular communication platform. First things first, let's head over to Slack's official website. Slack is a powerful tool for work management and productivity enhancement, designed to keep your team connected and your workflow efficient. Once you're familiar with navigating to the website, the next step is signing in. If you've set up your Slack account using your Google credentials, you can proceed by clicking on Sign In with Google. This option streamlines the login process and lets you access your dashboard with just a few clicks. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is your central hub where all the conversations, channels, and direct messages live. Navigating your dashboard with confidence is crucial, as it is here that you'd catch threads of communication and make timely responses. Now, let's move on to the real action. Replying to a message, navigate through your channels or direct messages and click on the specific message you want to reply to. Identifying the appropriate conversation or thread is crucial in maintaining coherent and concise dialogue with your peers. Pay attention to details and ensure that you're selecting the right message to reply to, so that your responses are directed to the intended recipient and context. Once you've clicked on the message, you'll notice a series of options appearing, one of which is reply. Clicking on this option opens a reply box where you can start typing your message. Bear in mind that crafting a thoughtful and articulate reply is key to effective communication within Slack. Take a moment to gather your thoughts and formulate a clear and concise message that addresses the topic at hand. Keep in mind that Slack supports a range of features that allow you to enhance your message, be it through text formatting, adding emojis for a touch of personality, or including links and attachments for more detailed responses. Make use of these features to add clarity and engagement to your replies. To wrap things up, once you're satisfied with your reply, hit the send button and your message will seamlessly integrate into the conversation thread. With practice and familiarity, using Slack will become second nature, boosting your productivity and enhancing your team collaboration. Now that you know how to reply to messages on Slack, you can communicate effectively and keep your conversations flowing. Thanks for tuning in and happy slacking.